Hey, what's up, guys? This is the quiz for again and again, memory moment, and tough question. And I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna read the story, and I'm gonna read the questions. If you need to pause or go back, go ahead and do that as you need to. All right. One day, Alexa was trying to figure out what to write about in class. The writing prompt was about your favorite vacation. Alexa was stuck because she couldn't think of anything to write about. Why do I have to write about vacations? We hardly ever go on vacations, Alexa asked herself. That's when Mr. Gomez asked Victoria to read her rough draft out loud. When she read, she mentioned that she went to Disney World last summer. As she was talking about riding a roller coaster, Alexa began to think about the only time she left Alvin. Her mom just had her baby brother, and Alexa spent 2 weeks at her aunt's house in Monterrey, Mexico. Her tia, Mrs. Gonzalez, took her to Plaza Sesamo. She remembered that Plaza Sesamo was the Mexican Six Flags, and she had ridden roller coasters and ate cotton candy. Alexa now knew what to write about. As soon as she began to write, more ideas began to come to her. Before she knew it, she had already written an entire page. As Alexa finished up, she decided to look over her paper for any mistakes. She quickly fixed her spelling and punctuation and added a couple words to sentences to make her paper sound better. Alexa read her paper to the class, and Mr. Gomez decided to give her 800. All right, so here you can write the again and again moment. Whatever comes up again and again, go ahead and just write it down right here for number one. For number two, why did the author bring this up again and again? So tell me why the again and again moment is important. For number three, you're going to copy the memory moment. Go ahead, put the paragraph and underline it in the story. So for number three, you're going to copy the memory moment. All right, so you're going to put the paragraph number that's on, and you're going to highlight it in the story or underline it in the story. Number four, why might this memory moment be important? Why might this memory moment be important? Tell me why the memory moment is important. Number five, copy the tough question. I want you to go ahead and to tell me the paragraph number that the tough question is in. Go ahead and underline it in the story. Underline the tough question in the story and tell me what paragraph it's in. For number six, what does this question make me wonder about? What does the tough question make you wonder about? For number seven, what is the conflict of the story? So, what's the problem of the story? For number eight, what is the theme of the story? What's the life lesson of the story? For number nine, what helped you figure out what was going to happen in the story? So, tell me, did the again and again moment help you figure out what was going to happen? Did the tough question help you figure out what was going to happen? Um, did the memory moment help you figure out what was going to happen? Okay, so think about the tough question, the memory moment, the again and again. Write down which one of those helped you figure out what was happening in the story. And for number 10, I want you to summarize the story. Somebody wanted, but, so, then. All right, so who wanted what? But something happened. There's a problem. So, tell me what happened. Then tell me how it ends. Okay? All right, let me know if you need any questions.